At Mid-State Litho, precision and innovation drive print equipment solutions. Today, we're exploring the Plockmatic BM4000 and BM5000 series booklet makers, engineered for unmatched efficiency and booklet quality. The BM4000 series, tailored for low to mid volume digital production, exemplifies versatility and quality. It supports a broad spectrum of applications, from a 4 landscape to 11-inch landscape booklets, with a capacity of up to 200 pages for the BM4050 model. This series accommodates sheet lengths up to 660 mm without CST and 620 mm with CST, ensuring flexibility across various media types. Its square fold technology and intuitive user interface allow for easy quality production, making it a cornerstone for businesses aiming for high-quality output with diverse requirements. For those with higher volume demands, the BM5000 series stands as the pinnacle of booklet making. It processes sheets up to 620 mm long, enabling a wide range of booklet sizes, including A4 and US, letter landscape, and oversized formats. The BM5035S and 5050S models offer up to 4 stitching heads, enhancing productivity and reducing booklet costs. This series integrates squarefold and face trim capabilities as standard, delivering a professional, perfect bound appearance. The optional CST module for bleed trimming and the VFX high-capacity dual bin feeder underscore the BM5000's adaptability and efficiency in high-volume environments. At the core of both series is Plockmatic's squarefold technology. This revolutionary feature produces a square spine, enhancing the booklet's aesthetic, stackability, and functionality, including spine printing capabilities. Squarefold technology represents a leap forward in finishing solutions, setting new standards for booklet production. Our dedication extends beyond sales. As authorized dealers, our factory-trained technicians ensure unparalleled service, supporting your success from installation to ongoing maintenance. This commitment is bolstered by our nearly 4 decades of experience in the industry. The strategic merger between Morgana and Plockmatic enhanced their product offerings, placing this equipment at the forefront of booklet making innovation. Discover how the Plockmatic BM4000 and BM5000 can transform your booklet production. Contact Mid-State Litho today.